For the repair of the PCB card controller, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. It is the master controller of the all-board boiler. For testing, we use 24-volt DC. We see that when we connect the PCB card controller with the power supply, the controller's LED indicators lights up. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the PCB card controller is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.